To demonstrate the direction of torque, the turning effect of force about the fixed point or axis is called torque or moment of force. It is measured by the product of magnitude of force and perpendicular distance of the line of action of force from the axis of rotation. It is represented by tau. Tau is equal to R into F is equal to RF sine theta n cap, where theta is the smaller angle between R and F and n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing R and F.
Madam, how can we demonstrate the direction of torque?
SI unit of torque is Newton meter. It is a vector quantity, and its direction can be found using right-hand rule, according to which if fingers of right hand are curled from R towards F through the smaller angle between them, then the thumb will represent the direction of torque. Let's do an experiment to demonstrate the direction of torque. Our aim here is to demonstrate the direction of torque. The materials required are any door of the classroom, a wrench, a bolt. Procedure: demonstration of direction of torque using classroom door. Push the free end of the door perpendicular to its plane. The sense of direction of push will be anti-clockwise with respect to the hinge. According to right-hand rule, the direction of torque will be in upward direction along the axis of rotation, that is, about the hinges. Demonstration of direction of torque using wrench and bolt. Take a bolt which can be rotated in a hole. Take a wrench and fix bolt as shown in figure. Now apply a force on the wrench in downward direction so that bolt is rotated within its hole in clockwise direction. According to right-hand rule, the direction of torque is in the inward direction, that is, the bolt will move in the inward direction. Observations: it is observed that the direction of the torque in this case is in upward direction along the axis of rotation, that is, about the hinges. It is observed that the direction of the torque in this case is in the inward direction. Thus, the direction of torque is successfully demonstrated. Precautions: the force should be applied perpendicular to the plane of the door. If the body is initially not rotating, then observe the direction of torque carefully.
Thank you, ma'am. We have understood the experiment very well.